2024. We've researched these fantastic devices to take your safety to the next level and enhance your driving experience. Join us for a fun and informative journey as we explore the latest trends in the world of dash cams and highlight the standout models. You'll have the chance to discover which features are best suited for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want to see more content on this topic and stay updated. We can't wait to grow with you and continue this journey together. Now, let's start exploring the top dash cams. The best dash cam overall. Nextbase 622 gigawatts. The Nextbase 622 gigawatts stands out as the best dash cam currently available, offering impressive video quality and a flagship feature set. During testing, its 4K/30p footage proved nearly cinematic, boasting crisp definition and outstanding detail. The camera's algorithms designed for low light and poor weather conditions further enhance results in challenging scenarios. Additionally, at 1080p resolution, the 622 gigawatts allows for shooting at 120 frames per second, facilitating precise identification of details like registration numbers. While the setup process may be slightly fiddly and the 3-inch touchscreen requires clear swipe inputs, we found the 622 gigawatts to be generally user-friendly. Its interface is intuitive, and the large, sharp, and clear display adds to the overall convenience. The camera automatically saves footage upon detecting an incident, and a prominent red button enables manual saving of noteworthy moments. In our review, we were particularly impressed by the built-in polarizing filter, which effectively reduced windscreen glare, and the digital image stabilization that absorbed road vibrations. The 622GW's clever what-3 words integration allows it to pinpoint the location of vehicles in distress and relay this information to emergency services, while there are alternatives with more streamlined designs and improved voice control. If your priority is a dash cam that consistently captures clear 4K video, the Nextbase 622 gigawatts is our top recommendation. The best budget dash cam. Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. The Garmin Mini 2 is a remarkably compact dash cam that effortlessly conceals itself behind your car's rearview mirror. Despite its small size, it delivers full HD recording at 30 frames per second with HDR, ensuring sharp footage capable of capturing crucial details such as registration plates, regardless of ambient light and weather conditions. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the compact plastic arm that occupies minimal windscreen space, and the ball and socket joint that allows easy repositioning. Due to its diminutive size, many users may prefer to leave the Mini 2 permanently in place. The interface is user-friendly. Even without a display, shortcut buttons enable one-touch clip saving and mic muting. The Garmin Drive smartphone app, compatible with both iOS and Android, serves as a hub for adjusting settings, reviewing recordings, and checking the camera's view, contributing to a straightforward initial setup. While the Mini 2's features are somewhat limited to voice controls and a collision-detecting G-sensor, the absence of GPS is the primary drawback. However, for those not seeking advanced driver assistance functions, the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 offers a minimalistic yet reliable solution. It embodies the essence of set-and-forget technology: simple, subtle, and dependable. The best all-in-one dash cam with smart features. Nextbase IQ Smart Dash Cam. The Nextbase IQ stands out as a highly sophisticated smart surveillance camera designed for your car, offering a comprehensive range of features that make it a top-tier choice among dash cams. With options available in 1K, 2K, and 4K variants, it provides a premium solution with a suite of connected capabilities. This includes parking assistance, a voice-activated witness mode, and the ability to remotely monitor your vehicle through the Nextbase IQ app, coupled with GPS, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi connectivity. All 3 versions include an interior camera, and an optional rear-facing unit is also available. To unlock the full potential of its capabilities, including cloud storage, real-time notifications, and AI-powered driver assistance modes, a paid subscription is required. While this might make the IQ a relatively costly investment, our tests revealed its impressive performance. Setup was straightforward in our review, and the app facilitated easy access to its numerous features. The 4K review unit delivered excellent footage and audio quality as expected. Powered directly from the car's battery, the system remains active even when the engine is off, while it may be considered overkill for many road users. If you seek a comprehensive, all-in-one camera to monitor your car continuously, the Nextbase IQ stands out as a remarkably intelligent choice. And here we are, at the end of our video. Today, we delved into the world of the best dash cams of 2024, exploring the unique features of each one, we introduced you to these fantastic devices, hoping that we could assist you in selecting the dash cam that best suits your needs. If you enjoyed watching our video and found it informative, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you can stay updated on our future videos and keep track of the latest developments in the world of technology. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Feel free to share in the comments which dashcam is your favorite or suggest other topics you'd like to see. Let's continue growing together.